Amy Dowden has been flooded with support from fans after she posed on the National Television Awards red carpet. The Strictly Come Dancing star, 33, stunned as she made an appearance at the glitzy awards show in a gorgeous pink gown. Amy shared how she was diagnosed with grade 3 breast cancer earlier this year. She has been staying positive and keeping fans updated on her health since sharing her cancer news in July. As the dancer made her way inside the O2 Arena for television's most glamorous night, fans screamed, "We love you, Amy, and you're inspiring." Amy oozed glamour as she beamed for the cameras, with her hair in loose waves. Last week, Amy shared how she'd had the perfect day catching up with her Strictly Come Dancing colleagues and being strictly-fied by the BBC show's hair and makeup team. The Welsh dancer shared highlights and snippets from her fun day with her 494,000 Instagram followers ahead of resuming her chemotherapy treatment. Posting to her Instagram stories with a big smile on her face, telling her followers, "Bloods are good and I have the best day ahead before chemo tomorrow. Any guesses where I'm off?" A few hours later, the bubbly star informed her fans they were correct with their guesses. She had in face popped into the Strictly studios to catch up with her co-stars. Smiling as she spoke to camera, she said, "So like literally 99% of you voted right, I'm at Strictly. What a perfect day before chemo tomorrow." Amy also took the time to clarify her recent sepsis diagnosis. She told her Instagram followers, "Also thank you for all the well wishes. I think someone got confused and thought I had sepsis last week. No, I had it after my first cycle of chemo, so like a month ago. But just always, always, always massively grateful to the NHS. So yeah, thank you everybody there. Just every single department works so hard. But anyway, today we are at Strictly. I get to see all the pros. Everybody. The whole team. Production, hair, makeup, wardrobe, the lot. And yeah, it's full of big smiles. You can see on my face before tomorrow." While Amy continues her cancer treatment, she has been remaining upbeat, optimistic and hopeful that she will still manage to appear on the upcoming season of Strictly. She has sadly been unable to be partnered with a celebrity contestant this year but has the support of show bosses who have been in touch to plan a special appearance later this year. Amy told Hello! Magazine, "I've been on the phone to the Strictly team today. They said they're getting me some fabulous wigs ready for any appearances." Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.